Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TT Logic, and in this video we are going to solve a nice algebraic problem. And here we have to another beautiful math Olympiad exponential problem, which is to the power of x and is equal to x the power of 32. And here we find the value of x. So first of all, we can be written as this to the power of x and is equal to x the power of 32. And here we take with powers both sides, we take 1 over x, and here 1 over x. So here this x cancelled out this x and is this 2 and is equal to x, and this 32 1 the 32 over this x, and here again we divided by 1 over 32 with both sides. So this 2 and divided by 1 over 32, and then again this x the power of 32 over x and whole the power of divided by 1 over 32. So we cancel this 32 with this 32, and here it is this to the power of 1 over 32 and is equal to x the power of 1 over x. And so because of this same base and same power, and we should be try this same base and same power. So this 2, and here we multiply 2 with this exponent 1 over 32, and so this 2 ones are 2, and then over this 32 multiply 2 is equal to 64 and is equal to x the power of 1 over x. And now in the next step is this to the power of this 2 cube, we can be written as 2 cube, and this 2 ones are 2, so here 1 over 64 and is equal to x the power of 1 over x. So this 2 cube, 2 multiply 2 times is equal to 4, and 4 the power of 1 over 64 and is equal to x the power of 1 over x. So here again we are multiply 2 with this exponent 1 over 64. So 2 ones are 2, then over 64 2s are 128, and then is equal to x the power of 1 over x. And then here is equal to this 4, we use this 4 cube, and this 2 ones are 2, and here is 1 over 128 and is equal to x the power of 1 over x. So here this 4 square 4 multiplied 2 times and is equal to 16. 16 the power of 1 over 128 and is equal to x the power of 1 over x. And now again we are multiply 2 with this exponent 1 over 128. So this 16 and multiply by 2 is 2 ones are 2, and then over 128 multiply 2 is equal to 256 and is equal to x the power of 1 over x. And now this 16 2 mean 16 square, this 16 square and the power of 1 over 256 and is equal to x the power of 1 over x. And now here this 16 cube, 16 multiplied 2 times and is equal to 256, and here 1 over 256 then is equal to x the power of 1 over x. Then here, like same basis and same exponents, so here we are use this basis and x is equal to 256, the value of x, and here it is our final answer. Now here we check them. And here we put this question is to the power of x and is equal to 32. We can be written as to the power of x and is equal to x the power of 32. And now here we substitute the value of x, and x the value is 256, so we put them to the power of 256 and is equal to, and this x the value of 256, so it can be written as 256 the power of this 32. So this to the power of 256 and is equal to, this 256 can be written as to the power of 8 and whole the power of this 32. And now this to the power of 256 and is equal to powers, and 32 multiply 8 is equal to 256 and the base is 2. So here it is, this to the power of 256 and is equal to this to the power of 256 is our same verification, and our verification is correct. And now we have discussed another log solution, which is 4 the power of x plus 4 the power of x and is equal to 16. And now here we find the value of x. So first of all we can be written as this 4x we take out of bracket, and now this 4x divided by this 4x and is equal to 1, and then plus this 4x divided by is equal to 1 and is equal to this 16. And now here 4x times 1 plus 2 and is equal to 16, and then we divided by 2 with both sides, and so here this 2 cancelled out this 2, and this 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8, and the remaining is 4x is equal to 8. So here we take log with both sides and is equal to log 4x and is equal to log 8. Now we divided by log 4 with both sides, so this x is here and is equal to log 4 and then over divided by log 4 and is equal to log 8 then over log 4, and so this log 4 cancelled out this log 4 and remaining is x is equal to log 8 and then over log 4. So here x is equal to log, and this 8 can be written as 4 multiplied 2 and then log 4. So x is equal to this log 4 and plus this log 2 and divided by log 4 with both sides. So cancelled out this log with this log 4, and here is remaining is x is equal to this 1 plus log 2, then over this log, and 4 can be written as 2 square. So x is equal to 1 plus log 2, and then this 2 is here, and this log 2. So cancelled out this log 2 with this log 2, and remaining is x is equal to 1 plus, and this 1 over 2. And here is we take LCM. X is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2, and we take LCM here. This 2, and 2 ones are 2 plus 2 ones are 2, and 1 ones are 1, and is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 2. And here is x is equal to 3 over 2, the final value of x. So here is we verify them. Verification here. And here we put this equation is 4x plus 4x is equal to 16. We can be written as 4x plus 4x is equal to 16. And now here we put the value of x, and x the value is 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 plus 4, and x the value is 3 over 2, and then this 16. So here we take this 4 is 2 square, and then whole the power of this 3 over 2, and plus this 4 can be written as 2 square, and whole the power of this 3 over 2, and is equal to 16. And now this 2 cancelled out this 2, and same as it is this 2 cancelled out this 2. So here this 2 is this 3, 2 cube, and plus this 2 is cube, and is equal to 16. Now this 2 cube, 2 multiply 3 times is equal to 8, and then same as it is 2 cube, 2 multiply 3 times, and is equal to 8, and is equal to 16. Now 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, and is equal to 16. Now here we our verification is correct. And here now we have another beautiful solution, which is 4 the power of m is equal to 1 over m, and here we find the power of value of m. So here we write solution, and then this 4 the power of m, and is equal to 1 over m. And now here this 4 can be written as 2 square, and whole the power of m, and is equal to 1 over m. And then we will get taking 1 over m with both sides. So 2 square whole the power of m, and then times 1 over m, and is equal to 1 over m, and then whole the power of 1 over m. So this m cancelled out this m, and remaining is this 2 square, and is equal to this 1 over m, and whole the power of 1 over m. Now here we know the formula, so using this formula here, a the power of a and is equal to b the power of b. Using the formula here, a the power of a is equal to b the power of b, mean bases same and powers are same in both sides, and LHS. So here we can write this a is equal to 2 and this b is equal to 1 over m, and so this a is 2 and is equal to b is 1 over m. So now we can here do cross multiplication, then m multiply 2 is equal to 2m and is equal to this 1, and then is equal to this m and this 1 over this 2. Therefore m is equal to 1 over 2, the value of m. And now let's verify. So we put the question is 4 the power of m and is equal to 1 over m. 4 the power of m and is equal to 1 over m. And now here we substitute the value of m, and m the value is 1 over 2. So 4 m the value is 1 over 2 and is equal to 1 over, and m the value is 1 over 2. So here this 4 can be written as 2 square and whole the power of 1 over 2 and is equal to 1 over 2. And now this 2 cancelled out this 2 and remaining is 2, and this 2 ones are 2 and is 1. So this 2 is equal to 2. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS. So value of m is equal to 1 over 2 is this is correct solution. And thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.